In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for generating recipes, a step-by-step guide. We'll move from a clean setup to a polished, export-ready recipe card, keeping everything organized so you get results tailored to your kitchen and your taste. Start by clearing the kitchen slate so old preferences don't sneak into new ideas. In the bottom left corner of your browser panel, click your profile picture and open Settings. Head to the Personalization tab, choose Manage Memories, and clear out past grocery lists, meal plans, or anything that might bias the next recipe. This quick reset prevents leftover dietary rules from blending into your fresh prompts. Next, route your culinary tasks to the right performance tier using the model dropdown at the top of your chat window. Keep it on the instant tier for rapid jobs like quick substitutions, simple metric conversions, or brainstorming lots of side dish ideas. Switch to the thinking tier when you need deep reasoning, like composing multi-course menus, fine-tuning baking ratios, organizing prep timelines, or balancing macros across a full plan. Picking the tier up front saves time and improves precision. Now prime the conversation with a pantry inventory prompt instead of asking for a generic dinner idea. Press Shift plus Enter to write a clear multi-line request, such as act as an elite Michelin-starred executive chef, master mixologist, and professional culinary instructor. I want to build a highly precise restaurant-quality recipe blueprint. Before you generate any ingredient lists or instructions, ask me 3 highly targeted questions, one by one, regarding my exact available pantry ingredients, my specific equipment constraints, e.g. the air fryer, cast iron skillet, oven, and any strict dietary boundaries or allergen rules so we can design this perfectly. Then answer the follow-up questions one at a time to lock in accurate context. When your variables are set, open an interactive cooking canvas. Type /canvas. Create a structured professional recipe card layout based on our parameters. Format this workspace into an organized layout mapping out dish name and overview, exact ingredient portions, mise en place, prep directives, chronological step-by-step cooking instructions, and chef's plating and serving tips. Your screen will split with prompts on the left and an editable recipe card on the right. Fine-tune inline without rewriting big prompts. Highlight any ingredient, row, or instruction in the canvas. Click the small comment bubble and type a clear adjustment like, I want to adapt this step for a busy weeknight. Rewrite this braising instruction in line to utilize an instant pot/pressure cooker method instead. Adjust the liquid ratios, update the cooking time, and modify the pressure release steps. Finally, cross-check food safety. Use the globe icon to search current guidelines for the minimum safe internal temperature for your chosen protein and the resting time. When everything looks good, click export or download and save your recipe as a Word document, Markdown file, or PDF for easy viewing or printing. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you guys.